There's a Cessna flying around quietly. They've never done this for 2 years. They've never flown quietly at all. They've had multiple Cessnas. And they have satellites, and they have hordes, massive hordes of people working, having a personal interaction with me. And it's not like it snuck up on them. They know exactly what they're doing. They're using war torture tactics, psycho shit analyzed from time dot Nazi Korean bullshit, and they fucking tortured the shit out of me and then sent me Joel. Everyone sucked all the power and strength out of me. Mindfuckery Clinton shit right in front of everybody because they know it down to a science. Then they send out idiots to execute it so it's readable. Surveilling me. How many instances, how many investigations have you ever heard of someone recording the crazy bastards in fucking planes above them and recording cover-ups, being tortured?